How to connect AirPods to PC or laptop. If you've been wondering how to connect your AirPods to your PC or laptop, you're in the right place. Whether you're using a Windows PC or MacBook, I'll guide you step by step to get your AirPods connected and ready to use. So let's dive right in. First things first, you need to make sure your PC or laptop has Bluetooth enabled. On a Windows PC, go to Settings by clicking the Start menu and simply selecting Bluetooth and other devices. On a MacBook, just click the Apple menu in the top left corner, then choose System Preferences and click on Bluetooth. Now let's get your AirPods into pairing mode. This is simple. Place your AirPods into their charging case but keep the lid open. Then press and hold the small button on the back of the case until the status light flashes white. This means your AirPods are now in pairing mode. Now that your AirPods are in pairing mode, it's time to connect it. On a Windows PC, in the Bluetooth settings, click on Add Bluetooth or other device. Then select and find AirPods in the list of all devices and simply tap on it and Windows will pair them automatically. Once connected, you should see a confirmation email message and you'll be ready to use your AirPods. Now to connect AirPods to MacBook, go to System Preferences, click on Bluetooth, and you should see your AirPods listed on the devices. Simply click Connect next to your AirPods. And that's it. That's how you simply successfully connect your AirPods to your PC or laptop.